Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put Roblox joins on. First, open Roblox Studio and select your desired experience. Navigate to the Game Settings menu, usually found under the Home tab. This is where you'll manage crucial aspects of your game's accessibility. We'll cover making your game public and adjusting player limits, ensuring a smooth experience for everyone. It's a straightforward process that takes only a few moments to set up correctly. Next, let's configure your game's basic access. Within the Game Settings window, find the Permissions or Privacy tab. Here, you'll see an option to set your game's visibility. Select Public to ensure that all players can find and join your experience. Remember to click Save at the bottom of the window to apply these changes. This step is essential for making your game discoverable and playable by the wider Roblox community. Now, let's talk about managing player capacity. In the game settings, look for the Max Players option. This allows you to specify how many players can be in your game at one time. You can set it anywhere from one player up to a much larger number, like 100. Think about your game's design and server performance when deciding on this limit. A good starting point might be around 20 to 30 players for many experiences. Finally, it's time to test and publish your game. Before making it fully public, playtest your experience within Roblox Studio to catch any issues. Once you're satisfied, go to File and select Publish to Roblox. This action makes your game live and accessible. You can then share the game's unique link with others, inviting them to join your creation. Congratulations, your Roblox game is now ready for players.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.